Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix the Last Caretaker gamepad or controller not working issue. So the very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on Windows icon, click on Power, select Restart. This will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, now launch the game and check. If not, next is to update your controller drivers. For that, you have to first connect your PC and controller. After that, go to the Windows search for Device Manager. Now here you have to expand human interface devices, select your controller, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your controller drivers. After that, try to launch the game and check whether the controller is working or not. If not, next is to enable or disable Steam input. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties, click on controller, and here you have to select enable Steam input and then check whether it's working or not. If not, again come back, select disable Steam input and then check if the controller is working or not. If the issue still occurs, come back again, select use default settings and move to the next method. Next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So once the game files is verified, now check if gamepad is working or not. If not, next is to press Alt plus Enter keys. So many experts suggest to press Alt plus Enter keys as this is one of the best trick to resolve such kind of unexpected issue. You can try it once. If it doesn't resolve the issue, move to the next method. Next is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option. Wait for it, and if there is any update available, update your Windows, and after that try to launch the game and check whether the controller is working or not. Some other troubleshooting tips to follow are suggested. Clear cache on Steam. So for that, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on storage, click on downloads. After that, go below, click on clear cache option beside clear download cache. This will clear your local download cache and restart Steam. Confirm it. After that, log into Steam, and after logging to it, now check if controller is working or not. If you are using wired plug for a controller, then unplug and replug it. Also suggested to use big picture mode for the Last Caretaker game. So you can use big picture mode, and after that check if the gamepad or controller is working or not. So using these methods, you can fix the Last Caretaker gamepad or controller not working issue. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.